Hello guys, welcome to Edictra, and in this video we are going to turn this dirty looking yellow silicone mobile cover which was once upon a time transparent into a good art. So let's get started. So for this DIY I am going to use acrylic spray paint. I'll be using black color. First step is to clean the cover. I am using a wet cloth. After cleaning the cover, make yourself ready for the spray paint mess. I'll be using a cardboard box, but I would suggest you to use spray paint outdoors if possible. Shake the can for a minute or two before using. I was not able to hold the can properly, so I removed the glove from one hand. First I'll apply a single coating, and then after 10 minutes I'll apply the second coat. The paint has completely dried. I also applied a single coat on the other side because the edges were left uncovered. You can leave it this way also, it looks nice, or you can even stick any stickers or use acrylic paints to draw something. I'm going to write a famous quote by Neil Gaiman, which is "Make good art." He said this during a commencement speech. To write the quote, I'm using a whitener pen to add a paint blotting effect to it. You can even use acrylic paints. By the way, you should check out the commencement speech by Neil Gaiman. It's really inspiring. Our mobile cover is ready and I think it's looking good. Share your thoughts in the comments, and also if you're trying this DIY, then do share the pictures with me on Instagram. Like and share the video and subscribe to come along the creative journey. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, stay awesome.